Good day, my name is Coach Salisu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trade Rqtmi Motion International 25 recommended volatile coins. After you must have created a TradingView account and added the coins on your TradingView, the next thing to do is to look at the change percent. What are the change percent? I'm referring to this here, this value here. You see it in percent, right? You see green and you see red, right? So you can tap on this three dots, tap on it, tap on sort by, tap on sort by change percent. You can see it will arrange it according to the ones that are rising in price. So the ones that have risen in price the most is near, right? So when you go back and apply the same technique by tapping this three dots, tap on sort by, then tap on sort by change percent, it arranged it according to the one that have fallen in price. So the one that fallen in price the most is bunk. You can see it minus. So you buy low and sell high. That's business. You buy low and sell high. Buy low and sell high. So now, what do you do? There are three ways of using the Rqtmi Excel template. One is the default setting, two is the bold tactics category 1, three is the bold tactics category 2. So if you want to trade using the default setting, you must ensure that you are trading the coins that has a negative -3 and above, say -4, -5, etc. If you see it like that, on as long as the coin is having a negative -3% and above, that is to say -4, -5, -6, -7, like that, you trade and take profit should not go beyond 1.5%. Your whole position take profit ratio should be 1.5% to 3%. You use your default setting. But if you want to use the bull tactics category 1 or 2, you must ensure any of the coins are showing -5 and above. -5, -6, like in the case of bunk, you see is having -5%, -5.36%. You can use the bull tactics category 1 to trade it and take 1.5% to 3% as your take profit within that range. You can decide to stick to 1.5 or 2%. If it sells, you pick again. If it sells, you wait for it to dip. You wait for any of the coin to dip. As long as it's -5 and above, you can, like when I say -5 and above, I'm referring to -5, -6, -7, like that. You can use your bull tactics category 1 or 2 tactics to trade as long as the coin is -5 and above. But if you want to use the default setting, the coin has to dip by -3 and above. You trade it and take your 1.5%, between 1.5% to 3%, and you're good to go. So that is how you trade the 25 volatile coin. Once you place your trade, you remain patient for it to deliver. As you know that the minimum coins to trade on one shot using the Rqtmi tactics is 3, right? Minimum number of coins is 3, maximum number of coins is 10, right? If you're trading 3 coins, 2 will be on default setting and 1 will be on bull tactics, right? Why? Because if the market goes against you, you have 2 coins that are already on default that will be giving you subset, while this one will be waiting for it to sell. That's how it is, right? So I hope you find this video helpful.